guys, to my beautiful friend, ayan, the Jamelyn of Rose. Oh, ayan, si Miss Jamelyn, please connect to her, guys. Gustong-gusto ko talaga. Ayan na yung isa pang channel, oh, Wonder of Love. Thank you so much. That is your idea. Pinalitan ko na kanina. Wonder of Love. O, diba? Wonder of Love. Hello, wonder if they were there, would you message them? Maybe yes, maybe no. Double tap the screen and of course, subscribe to my channel. Salamat po. Ayan. How's everyone? Kumusta kayo lahat? Wow, sana all. Kung may Jamelyn of Rose, ayan na may Wonder of Love na din. Asa na si ano, hindi pa si Blow Shy. Hindi pa siya nagpalit ng name. I'm just waiting for him to change the name. My God, yung chan ko talaga, ayan, pumuputok na sobrang taba na. Hirap na ako mag-diet. Double tap the screen, guys, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Salamat po. Oo. Please connect also to my friend, to my beautiful friend. Ayan, si Miss Jamelyn, the Jamelyn of Rose. Ayan po, may rose talaga. Typical na may rose tayo, syempre. Siksik ka na. Siksik na talaga. As in talaga, siksik na. Okay. Ayan na, kung may Wonder of Love, of course, there is the Jamelyn of Rose. Sayang wala dito si Princess. Busy pa si Princess. The princess of all the princesses. Double tap the screen, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Ayan. Wonder, DB summer clothes too. Don't worry, the summer is approaching. I need to be sexy on summer because I want to wear my bikini. I want to wear my two-piece. On summer, guys. Let's wait on summer. On summer. On summer. Yeah, because it's just January. Summer is about March, April, May, June. Okay, I will plan my summer. My summer getaway. I will plan my summer getaway. Ngayon pa lang. So marami tayong gagawin talaga. We need to do things. We need to do more. Ayan. To achieve our goals talaga. Guys, the Miss Jamelyn, magbibikini. Just ko, hindi na nga ako nakakapag-bikini gawa to. Sobrang tumaba na talaga ako. Dati nagbibikini naman talaga ako. Tumaba na kasi ako eh. Hello everyone! And of course, also, yung parang, basta, mataba na kasi ako ngayon eh. Ang hirap ko magtaba kasi wala akong ginagawa. Di man ako lumalabas ng kwarto ko. Dito lang ako kakain, dito everything. Ayan guys, may Susana Marihan, proud single mom. Shout out to you, madam. Change that lipstick shade. Lipstick shade? Or you want to kiss? You want me to kiss you? No need to change. It's beautiful already. How's everyone? Ayan, sister, you should get Wonder, you should get them on the chat, sister. No. My family is not here, okay? So I cannot join them. I cannot ask them to join, okay? Hello everyone. Double tap the screen, guys. 24 million viewers out there. Please double tap the screen. Subscribe to my channel, of course. Thank you so much. Hi to you, Biglon. How are you, Biglon? I feel like Biglon didn't sleep. Biglon, he don't sleep. Because Biglon is always here in my live stream. Wonder, they been short now. Oh, is it? Hello, pretty lady. Yes, hello to Biglon. Double tap the screen, guys, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Just now woke up. Good morning to you, Biglon. Sending love to you. Double tap the screen. Thank you so much, everyone, and I love you all, of course. I love you all. La la la. May isa pa pala ako. Wait lang, guys. Ako kunin pa lang. Wala pala yung stick ko eh. Hi! At ang Biglon! Oh my God. This one is not nice as